Hello, it's Ella from Crochetylicious, and we're going to learn today how to single crochet. I'm going to use this this yarn. It's wool, and I really like it. It's super, I mean, not super chunky, but it is chunky and quite nice to work with. It doesn't really say here what kind of crochet hook I should use. We only have the needles, the knitting needles, but we can easily check that because it says here more or less 3.5, 4 for knitting needles, and we'll see with our crochet hook number 4, and we do a kind of a test. And if you can see here if you can see that the wool, the yarn fills the space, it's perfect. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna work with crochet hook number 4. So to start, we need a chain, and to start the chain we need the slip knot. So grab the yarn and wrap it around your index fingers twice, and then move the first thread over the other one so it changes places, and then grab the first loop, and just slide it off your finger, insert the hook and tighten it, and you're done. That's your slip knot. I can actually repeat it for you. So wrap the yarn around your fingers twice, move the first loop closer to the fingertip, and then move the first now off your finger, and just insert your hook, and that's it. Tighten it, and you're ready to start your chain. And we are going to chain now. So to chain, in this scenario, and to chain, you just grab the yarn and you pull through. Grab the yarn and pull through. Grab the yarn and pull through. And you can make any number of chains that you want, because with single crochet it's not really important if it's even or odd number of chains. And as I'm making only a sample, I think this will work. All right, and once we have this, so you see we can have a little chain here. That's our starting chain, and it's best to work in the back of the chain. So you can see those little bumps here. We're gonna work in those bumps, because if we work in those bumps, the first round will just be much neater and just, I guess, better for your project. So turn your chain, and we're skipping the first one, so we're crocheting in a second one. Oh, sorry, too fast. So insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull through. So we have 2 loops on the hook, and then grab the yarn again and pull through. And again, we insert the crochet hook, in the back loop. We grab the yarn, we pull through, 2 loops on the hook, and we grab the yarn and pull through. And we have to repeat that for every bump in the back. Okay, some instructions once again. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, pull through, 2 loops, grab the yarn again, and pull through. So grab, and we single crochet till the end of this round. We're almost there. Oh, we need a little bit. Oop. Okay, almost there. The last bump. So our last single crochet. So that's our round number 1. And you see, when we crochet in the back of the chain, this is a very nice and neat beginning. And because we're crocheting in rounds, so we're going up, up, up. So we now chain 1, like we did for the starting chain, and we turn our round, and we just crochet. So here are the places we're gonna insert. You see, under the V, the yarn V. And again, we insert, we grab, and we grab again and we close the stitch. So insert, grab, two. Remember also to make more or less the same length of those two loops, and if you keep doing maintaining the same yarn length, it will give you the same stitch length all the time. So that's important to keep it the same level. So let's continue. And once we're getting back to and I'm getting closer to the last round, we're actually, it can twist a little bit. That's normal. Don't worry. You can just untwist it. That's fine. Okay, so we're almost there at the end. The last loop, so the first loop of the first round, the first stitch, can be a little bit tricky, but remember about it so you don't lose the stitches. And again, we're at the back, so we have to chain one and we have to turn. And we just repeat that for the required length. And that's it.